In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Notion. By the end, you'll have the Notion embed for Monday.com installed, so you can bring Notion pages into your Monday workspace for easy reference and collaboration. First, head into your Monday.com account and open the Marketplace. You'll usually find it in the main navigation labeled Marketplace or Apps Marketplace, depending on your layout. This is where Monday centralizes all add-ons and integrations. If you don't see it, you may not have the right permissions, so make sure you're using an account with access, or check with your Workspace admin. Opening the Marketplace ensures we're installing the official app safely and with the correct permissions. Once you're in the Marketplace, use the search bar at the top and type Notion. Keep it simple, just the word Notion. This filters the results, so you don't have to scroll through unrelated apps. If multiple options appear, focus on the one that's designed specifically to embed Notion content, as that's the most seamless way to view Notion pages inside Monday without switching tabs. From the search results, click on Notion Embed for Monday.com. This will open the app's listing page. Take a moment to look over the description, screenshots, and any notes about key features or limitations. Checking the details helps confirm you're selecting the correct listing and gives you a quick overview of what the embed supports, like viewing live Notion pages directly in a Monday board view or dashboard. If there's a version history or support section, it's a good sign the app is maintained and reliable. Now click Install App. During installation, Monday may prompt you to review permissions or confirm where the app will be available in your account. It's normal to see a short summary of what the app can access, and it's best practice to review that so you know exactly how it integrates with your workspace. Depending on your setup, you might also see options related to workspace scope or availability. Follow your team's guidelines to keep everything consistent. That's it. With the Notion embed for Monday.com installed, you'll be able to bring Notion pages into your Monday environment, so your team can reference docs, wikis, and project notes right alongside tasks. If something doesn't appear right away, try refreshing your browser. And if the install option is unavailable, double-check your permissions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the streamlined workflow between Monday and Notion.